Hello guys, my name is Tang and it's good to see you here today. Do you know, the topic today is about happiness. And a lot of people, they spend their whole life just to find out what is happiness and where does happiness come from. Actually, the happiness, it doesn't come from other people and it doesn't come from material things. It doesn't come from having a lot of money and power. And finally, it doesn't come from being popular. So, where does happiness come from? Do you know? Yes, it comes from giving love to other people. It comes from giving the best effort to everything you do. It comes from getting satisfaction from helping other people. So now, try to help many people as many possible. And of course, it comes from going smarter and wiser every day. And of course, the happiness you feel is equal to the love you give. The more you give, the happier you will be. And of course, now, you know that outside there are a lot of people, they are unlucky people, they have no money, no parents, no friends to support them. And you are lucky people, you have friends, and of course you have parents who always think about you and who always support you all the time you need. So now, don't complain and stop complaining about everything you don't have. And you are lucky people, just remember that. And from now, try the best and giving the best effort to do everything. And now, of course, help them, help the unprivileged people and giving the happiness to them. Thanks for listening.